Video title: The Top 10 Richest Stock Traders in the World. Video description: Have you ever wondered who the wealthiest stock traders in the world are? In this video, we'll take a look at the top 10 richest stock traders, who have managed to accumulate massive wealth through their investment strategies, stock market knowledge, and a little bit of luck. From Warren Buffett to George Soros, these traders have earned billions of dollars through their trading skills and smart investments. Join us as we delve into the lives of these magnificent traders and explore their methods. Keywords: wealthy stock traders, investment strategies, stock market knowledge, smart investments, Warren Buffett, George Soros. Introduction: Welcome to our video on the top 10 richest stock traders in the world. If you're interested in learning about the most successful stock traders in the world and how they made billions of dollars, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll cover some of the biggest names in the investment world and share their investment strategies with you. We hope you enjoy this video. Outro. Thanks for watching our video on the top 10 richest stock traders in the world. We hope you enjoyed learning about these successful traders and their investment strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Voiceover: Have you ever wondered who the richest stock traders in the world are? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 10 richest stock traders and discover how they made their fortunes. Starting off with Warren Buffett, one of the most well-known investors of all time. Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has a net worth of $86 billion, and is considered one of the most successful investors in history. Buffett's secret to success is his long-term investment strategy and value investing philosophy. Next up is George Soros, who made $1 billion in a single day by betting against the British pound. Soros is a hedge fund manager and philanthropist who has a net worth of $8.6 billion. Soros is a legendary figure in the investment world, and is known for his success in currency trading. Then there's Carl Icahn, a billionaire activist investor with a net worth of $15.7 billion. Icahn is known for his aggressive investment tactics and hostile takeovers of companies. He has been successful in earning substantial profits by investing in undervalued companies. Other wealthy stock traders on our list include Ray Dalio, a hedge fund manager with a net worth of $16.9 billion, James Simons, a quantitative investor with a net worth of $22.5 billion, and Paul Tudor Jones, a renowned trader with a net worth of $5.1 billion. But these are just a few names on our list. Watch the full video to discover the rest of the top 10 richest stock traders in the world and their unique investment strategies.